All right, raise your hand if you like tacos. Both of mine's raised. Boy, I love a good taco. But hey, have you ever made a tostada? You don't even have to do your head like this. You can just do it like this. Hey, today we're gonna make some awesome tostadas on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, let's get started, y'all. Over here on our side of our griddle, we got this on a low heat. We have these refried beans. Now, this is totally optional and up to you. This is what I like to do with my refried beans. I like to cook them. Some might just use the refried beans as they are right out of the can, but that's not the way we roll. Chop that up. Now, a few things that I like to do with my refried beans. I like to add a little bit of chicken stock. That gives it a little bit more depth of flavor. And I like to use this tomato and chicken powdered bouillon. Last but not least, a little bit of this Blackstone street taco. That just gives the refried beans a little bit of good flavor, and it's just not just the beans. But by all means, if you just like the beans the way they are, do that. So these are, I mean, they're done. We're just gonna let them ride right over there. Let's pay attention right to our middle. We got this on a high heat right now. Got this on low, got this on low. We're gonna warm our tostadas over here, meat's here. So it's all about planning this kind of in your head. It's kind of a tip trick for whenever you do your cooking. So we're going to use about a pound of this ground beef. It's my calibrated eye. Yep, 1 pound. All right, after a few minutes, just want to chop up your meat, and then it just kind of breaks up really well. Now it's time to add our seasoning. We're going in with this Blackstone street taco. Our beef is good. Gonna cut those burners off. Beans, check on our beans. Oh man, this is what I like. I like it when there's a nice crust kind of built up. Good flavor. Now, our tostada shells, they're already pretty much done. We've got just a little bit of oil. I'm gonna add just a little bit more here. Not much more. Got this on a low heat. Let's put these down, get them warm, get them crispy. After a few minutes on the griddle, we're gonna flip these tostadas over. If you want, you can make your own tostadas by just simply deep frying some corn tortillas. All right, everything is pretty much ready. I'm gonna put this up here. I've got the griddle, cut the griddle off. Now, my friends, we build our tostadas. And what I like, cool thing about a tostada is it has that layer of the refried beans, then the beef, and then the toppings of choice. So, got our spoon here. Spread that all over. We're gonna come in with our seasoned beef. Liberal amounts. Don't be stingy, folks. Now, cheese of choice, use a little quesadilla cheese. It's a very nice melty cheese. Just lay that on there. We're gonna head on over to the cutting board. We're gonna finish these off. Let's go. All right, now that we got the griddle items all done now, we're gonna finish these off. I'm gonna add a little bit of this shredded lettuce. I love shredded lettuce. I just think it makes a nice little crunch. I don't know, I just think it's better. A little bit of red onions. The toppings here, you can just go wild. You want, you know, this or that, just do it. A little bit of chopped Roma tomatoes on top. I'm gonna do a little bit of sour cream, just like that. And that there, my friends, is a perfect beef tostada. I say let's give it a try, y'all, okay? I like a little pickled jalapenos on mine too. These diced pickled jalapenos. Oh, let's give it a try. You ready? You hear that crunch? No. I like that crunch. Then you get those refried beans, then the seasoned meat, those toppings, son. That, my friends, is some good groceries. Y'all, I appreciate you sticking around. hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.